I just finished my teaching from His Holiness Dalai Lama. He just gave teaching to Global Buddhist Summit in India. Today also he gave a teachings on how to practice your mind and how to cultivate your inner peace. He's a living Buddha, so understand the benefits of practicing all those compassion, love, kindness. Since few days, we millions of Buddhists who follow His Holiness Dalai Lama, especially Buddhism, mostly the Tibetan from across the globe, we were so hurt because of that fake news and fake clip that was spreaded virally across the globe. That small clip of videos made too much dismantled our peaceful Tibetan brothers and sisters. So I want to urge to those people who's still watching that video clip that was totally fake. It was directed by especially